And moving on, the European Union has also chosen to regulate artificial intelligence models on the basis of their potential risk. The AI regulation in the EU is a step closer to enactment, with the European lawmakers set to vote on it today. The 27 heads of EU states approved the law in February, and now it is expected to be passed by the Parliament as well. Ishan Garg tells us more from Brussels.
The AI Act will be implemented in stages. 20 days after the rules are published, the law will come into force. Companies will then have 3 years to make their AI systems compliant. And that path is a steep one. Under the EU's AI Act, the first one of its kind globally, the bloc is regulating AI by dividing its potential uses into 4 categories, depending on the kind of risk they can pose to society. For example, AI technology being used in driving systems or one affecting the movement of migrants through border checks will be most strictly scrutinized, while systems categorized as minimal risk, such as AI-powered video games, will have little oversight. Officials say most AI systems will fall under this category. Now, there are some uses of AI, though, that have been outlawed completely. Categorization of people based on social indicators or broad use of facial recognition technology are among them. Companies have said they will need time and money to comply with these norms, and some, including the makers of ChatGPT, have said the rules could potentially hurt the growth of the entire industry. Now, it's a reservation that some members of the 27-nation bloc also expressed during the negotiations. France and Germany argued that the rules could hurt their nascent AI sector. But now that the law is close to becoming a reality, the focus is also on how member countries are working on implementing it. The European Commission has already set up an AI office. However, member nations are still working out the best way to regulate. Reports say they will have 12 months to decide which department will oversee the implementation, meaning the execution of the law could be an uphill battle, not only for the tech companies, but also for the regulators. Ishan Garg in Brussels, reporting for DD India.